The Insta360 X6 might be a much bigger upgrade than the X5, but there's one part of this camera that could make people think twice: the price. Yes, let's talk about that. Thanks to a Best Buy listing that has surfaced ahead of the official launch, the Insta360 X6 standard bundle is reportedly listed at $699.99 in the US, while the Essentials bundle comes in at $769.99. If these listings are accurate, this would make the X6 significantly more expensive than the previous generation. And that's interesting because the earlier X6 pricing rumors were nowhere near this high. Initial estimates had the camera somewhere around $549 to $599, which would have kept it much closer to the X5. But then European retailer leaks started pointing toward a higher price, with the X6 reportedly listed at €689 for the standard version and €789 for the Essentials bundle. For some context, the X5 launched at $549 in the US. Before that, the X4 launched at $499, while the X3 came in at $449. So, for several generations, Insta360 had been increasing the price by roughly $50 each time. If this reported $699 price is accurate, the X6 would completely break that pattern with a $150 increase over the X5, but there could be a pretty good reason for that jump. The X6 is expected to bring larger 1-inch class sensors along with a redesigned imaging system and 3 AI chips. Leaks have also pointed to a larger battery of nearly 200 mAh more than X5, replaceable lenses 2.0, and 8K 360-degree recording at up to 50 frames per second. So this isn't looking like a minor refresh. Insta360 appears to be positioning the X6 as a much more serious flagship camera, and that could explain why the company is comfortable pushing the price into a higher tier. The bigger question is whether those upgrades are actually worth an extra $150. At $699.99, the X6 isn't simply competing against the X5 anymore, it's also going up against cameras like DJI's Osmo 360, and once you're spending around $700, buyers are going to look at the entire premium 360 camera market and ask a pretty simple question: does the X6 offer enough to justify that higher entry price? Then there's the Essentials bundle. At a reported $769.99, it's only $70 more than the standard bundle. If the additional accessories are things you would have bought anyway, that could potentially make the higher tier bundle more appealing than buying those accessories separately, and we're not going to have to wait much longer for the final answer. Insta360 is expected to officially launch the X6 on August 12th, so we're very close to getting the confirmed MSRP and the complete bundle breakdown. There's also a chance that Insta360 could use launch promotions or include additional accessories, which could make the effective value quite different from the headline price. For now though, the numbers to keep in mind are $700 for the reported standard bundle and $770 for the reported Essentials bundle in the US. The X6 now has to prove that it's not just a better 360 camera than the X5, it has to be worth spending significantly more money to get it. Peace.